Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT weather station monitoring the environmental parameters and ThinkSpeak cloud platform using IoT technology. So here we are going to monitor the three environmental parameters with help of two sensors. One is the rain sensor, which can be monitored in millimeters per hour, and DHT11 will get the humidity and temperature, humidity in percentage, temperature in degree centigrade. These three sensor values continuously monitor on this 16:2 LCD screen, and the same data will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform with help of this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So for operation of this input sensors, reading and output controlling modules will be done with help of Arduino UNO board, so which is taking care of the input from this one DHT11 at pin number 10, and the rain sensor at pin number A0, and LCD module as output connected at pin number 22, pin number 7, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is connected at the pin number 8 and 9. So in this one we have interfaced the DHT11 directly to the UNO board, but rain sensor module interfaced to the UNO board through this amplifier, as we are getting the low voltage of varying when we are place the droplets on this plates. As we can see, the two side by side electrodes were there connected to the two pins directly and there to the amplifier. So whenever the droplet placed over here, the voltage is going to be in millivolts, so that will be converted from between the 0 to 5 volts, and that is the main input to our A0 pin of our UNO board, that is an analog input pin. So here we are going to get the data into the ThinkSpeak, so that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So for that purpose, just log into the ThinkSpeak cloud platform for the given credentials. So there we get the channel ID, and just open the channel. There we can see the previous data. So till now before switch off the kit, so the data will be uploaded. So humidity, temperature in degree centigrade, and rain in 0 to 100%. Now the next step is on the hotspot. So for that, go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to project 5919 without any space and without any capital letter, and after that password should be 123456789 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So check twice before on the hotspot. After that, changes done on the hotspot and data also. Then you can on the power supply to this UNO board. So after we provide the power supply, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and after that the system will pair to the ESP8266 module through this, right, one device is connected now. So initially we will send the commands to the ESP8266 module to connect to this so-called project 5919. So after that successful pair, we can see the one device connected over here. So then you can go to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. So these dots will represent the captured data. So when you click on that, we can get the humidity at the date and time. Right, now we got the fresh data. So here like this, if you don't want to clumsy data, then you can erase that. But before erasing, data import exports to get the data in Excel sheet format as a download for data backup. So download the data. Now it will be get open in Excel sheet format, and that consists of date and number of entries till now captured. Okay, date and time. So till now we took the 8 samples, and in that one, this one is the humidity and temperature and rain in percentage. After you successfully took the backup, go to channel settings, and in that only clear channel, don't do any other options, only clear channels. Okay, so the options are like data import exports to download the data, channel settings to clear the channel, private view to access the live data. Right, so as you can see, the old data got erased, and while scrolling also in your mobile phone, so don't touch on this blue bar, so just above that. Okay, better my suggestion is you can demonstrate this directly in your laptop. It's better. So as you can see, the rain percentages got increased, and also it will be raised to the certain level. So here the data uploading from the kit to the ThinkSpeak is 15 seconds duration. It's a minimum. Why? Because ThinkSpeak can access the data, can accept the data from any module at a duration of 15 seconds only. So if you try to send the data before that, it won't accept that. It's going to be the deleted only. So it will under the garbage values. So you can see the rain data value is got increased. Okay, right. And the next option is like based on your network speed also it will take time, but that's why it will take around of 15 seconds of minimum duration. Right here the main advantage of the ThinkSpeak is we can see the graphical presentation of these values time to time, so that we can estimate whether the so-called parameters are increased rapidly or gradually, and we can estimate the environmental status also, whether it is going to be the rainy or heavy rainy or is any abnormality over there. So in this manner we can provide the assistance from this IoT weather station monitoring system.